So I want to pour it inside this banana. This is nice. So hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking for this video. For those who have if you are watching me for the first time, please help me to subscribe, share, like, comment, press the notification bell or that red button, press it. Okay, so for those who have already subscribed, thank you very much, and for the nice comments, God bless you. Thank you. So for returning viewer, please subscribe, help me to share, press the notification bell all. So in this video, I want to prepare banana and rice fufu. Okay, so this is my banana. This is my banana and this is rice. This is Nigeria rice. I soak it overnight for 24 hours. Okay, so follow me as I want to prepare this food. Thank you very much. So I want to peel the banana. So I want to blend the banana. Smooth. As you see, this is so I want to pour it inside this banana. So we are done for the blending. So I want to turn it. This is banana and rice fufu. As you see, beautiful people, as it's getting cold, it will be stronger. You know, rice, this is rice and banana. This is nice, so delicious food. So it's ready to pack. Thank you for watching this video.